Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another HARMONYONE price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the HARMONYONE chart, which at the time of this recording has continued to hold above a key area of support at around the $0.02166 mark, and at the time of this recording we are also trading above the 20-day MA, which is now acting as support here on the daily chart, and we have also continued to obey the Elliot structures. And before I give you my next price targets here on the HARMONYONE chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to continue with the video here on the daily chart by first giving you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, where you can see that HARMONYONE, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw a massive bounce to the upside, giving us an all-time high at around the $0.39 mark in what I'm terming as that first wave to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market, where we had been seeing lower prices in this ABC corrective structure, which has now given us a low at around the $0.009 mark in what I'm terming as the formation of that wave 2 to the lower side. And after seeing the formation of a second wave, whatever we expect on the long-term scenarios is a bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And here on the daily chart, I also have a target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.61746 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting HARMONYONE to do on the long-term scenarios, where I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing the formation of that wave 3 to the upside. And I believe we are seeing such a move here on the 4-hour chart. So jumping to the 4-hour chart to give you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, and also give you my next price targets here on the HARMONYONE chart, you can see that after making our lower low at around the $0.009 mark, we started a massive bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot structures, where you can see that I'm terming that as the first wave to the upside. Then we saw this corrective structure in the formation of that wave 2 before we started another bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, giving us a peak at around the $0.0297 mark. And after seeing the high for that wave 3, whatever we expected next is a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 4, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3, that gave me a minimum target area to the lower side in the formation of that wave 4 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618, which is a target area that we have fully maximized by retracing back to the area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5. And there are chances that we might have seen the low for this fourth wave to the lower side, and whatever we are seeing at the moment could be the start of a bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 5 to the upside to fully maximize an even larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And for us to get back into the formation of that wave 5, there are key areas of support and resistances that I'm watching over here, and also significant highs. And the very first thing that I'm watching here on the HARMONYONE chart here on the 4-hour chart is a break above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart. And at the time of this recording, we are trading above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, meaning there are chances that very soon we are going to see a bit of a bounce to the upside, given the support of the 20-day MA to give us a high above the high for this wave 3, and that is at around the $0.02964 mark. So the moment we continue holding above the 20-day MA and also get a break above the wave 3 high, then that will be enough confirmation that whatever we are seeing over here is a bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. I'm also watching that next key area of resistance at around the $0.03087 mark, and the moment I see a break above that key area of resistance, I'll be expecting to see a retest of that key area of resistance. And once the retest is in, then we can continue pushing even higher, fully maximizing our target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 5, and sketching out minimum target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 5 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 5 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.04647 mark, and that is the minimum that I will expect that wave 5 to the upside to do to fully maximize an even larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And once the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 1 is in, then we can expect a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, where I will also be expecting to see an ABC corrective structure, fully maximizing our target areas in the formation of that wave 2. So here on the HARMONYONE chart, continue watching the 20-day MA, cause a break above the 20-day MA and continue holding above the 20-day MA is enough trigger for us to continue pushing even higher to get a break above the wave 3 high, which is a significant high. And once that happens, then we can expect a break above the next key area of resistance at around the $0.03087 mark. And once the retest is in, then we can continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5 and also fully maximize our target areas. But in case we lose the 20-day MA, what I'll be expecting over here is HARMONYONE to fully maximize this red target area by getting back to the area at around the $0.02104 mark. So that is what we can expect on the worst case scenario. And also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported here on the RSI. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 48 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices in the formation of that wave 5. And also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices in the formation of that wave 3. So that is that wave 5. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.